Earlier in the program, when we explored the different prompt types, we briefly touched on workflow prompts and how they allow you to combine multiple steps into a single, cohesive prompting system. Now, we're going much deeper because workflow prompting is one of the most important skills you'll develop as a certified prompt engineering professional. If you think back to the earlier lesson, we noted that workflow prompts are used when a task happens in stages. Analyze this, then summarize it, then rewrite it, then format it. In this lesson, we move from simply understanding what workflow prompts are to truly mastering how and why they matter. Workflow prompting is the bridge between casual prompting and operational AI. It is the difference between asking AI for one-off answers and building systems that run your business. Workflow prompts matter because real business tasks rarely happen in one step. Most of the work you do, planning, content creation, client management, documentation, reporting, involves multiple phases. When AI tries to complete all of those phases at once, accuracy drops, important details get lost, and the output becomes inconsistent. By breaking a big task into smaller steps and chaining those steps together, you give the model a logical path to follow. It slows down, it thinks more clearly, and it produces results that feel intentional, complete, and reliable. You'll also notice that chaining dramatically improves accuracy. That's because multi-step logic forces the model to process information layer by layer instead of making assumptions. Step 1 sets the foundation. Step 2 builds on the foundation. Step 3 refines it. Step 4 completes the workflow. Every step has a purpose, and the structure guides the model toward a higher quality result. Another benefit is repeatability. We mentioned earlier that workflow prompts are foundational for operational systems, and here's why. Once you build a workflow, you can reuse it forever. Every time you run it, you get a consistent process and a consistent outcome. You're not just prompting anymore. You're engineering a small automation. And when you start building many of these, your AI becomes a true operations partner that takes work off your plate, reduces decision fatigue, and brings order, clarity, and efficiency into your business. Today's activity will give you more experience in this area. You'll build a 4-step AI workflow based on a real task you perform regularly. It could be weekly planning, content batching, writing summaries, preparing client updates, or anything else that normally takes you multiple steps to complete. Your job is to break that task into 4 logical phases and engineer a prompt chain that the model can follow. By the end of this lesson, you won't just understand workflow prompting. You'll have built your operational workflow. You'll see how much smoother, faster, and more reliable your work becomes when you stop prompting randomly and start prompting in systems. This is one of the defining skills of a professional prompt engineer, and everything you've learned so far leads into it.